guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul video. Today is Saturday and I went to Aldi and then I went to Hy-Vee just to pick up a few things that I couldn't get at Aldi. I spent $130 at Aldi. So let me show you what I picked up and then I'll share with you the meal plan for this week. Okay, so I'm gonna start down here with the ribs. So tomorrow is Father's Day and Adam is going to be smoking some ribs. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of the pork loin back ribs from Hy-Vee. So he'll be putting these on the smoker tomorrow morning, and then we're gonna have these for Father's Day. His parents are gonna come over for that, and I'll be making some other food too, which I'll share with you in the meal plan. I also got some bell peppers. These I like to get at Aldi because they're pretty inexpensive in a 3-pack. I'm going to be making like a veggie and dip tray for tomorrow, and I wanted to have some peppers to go with that. And I also like to chop these up and put them in my salads or eat them with hummus. I saw these bags of nectarines at Aldi, so I decided to grab these. I got some peaches last week and we enjoyed those. Some people commented and said what I got last week was nectarines, but no, I think they were peaches. But honestly, I'm not a peach/nectarine expert, so I just go with what's on the sign. But either way, these are good. And if we don't get them all eaten by the time that they start going soft, I actually do like to just cut them up and put them in the freezer, and then I can use them to make smoothies, and then that way we don't waste them. I got 3 containers of sour cream, which is a lot, but I am going to be making dip for like the crudité, and I also need it for cheesy potatoes that I'm going to make, or funeral potatoes, whatever you call them. There's a few recipes I needed Parmesan cheese for this week, so I decided just to get the shredded kind. This is the pre-shredded kind from Aldi, and it's really inexpensive there, so I was happy to grab that there. I had to get my cottage cheese from Hy-Vee because they have the AE dairy, the small curd 4%, which is what I like to always get. I grabbed some milk from Aldi, which we already used a little bit out of. I went ahead and grabbed half a gallon of this regular milk and then half a gallon of vanilla almond milk. I wanted to try this with my new Nespresso coffee machine / frother that I got. And then I can use this in smoothies also, and Connor will eat it with his cereal. I got 2 dozen eggs. My stepdad has been getting us farm fresh eggs, but we're running low on those. So I just went ahead and picked up 2 dozen. I got a 16-ounce container of heavy whipping cream. I don't really have a plan for this right now, but I do have an ice cream machine, which last time I posted a what's for dinner video, I talked about the Reese's ice cream that I made, and a lot of the recipes call for heavy cream, so I just got that to have on hand in case we wanted to make ice cream this week. I grabbed a bag of the mini cucumbers and then also some grapes for the kids this week, or maybe for myself. Sometimes I like to wash these up and I'll put them in a container with like cubed cheese, and then I'll take that to work for a snack. My sister has been telling me about this sweet kale chopped salad kit from Aldi. Tell me if you guys have tried this before. I know that they have one at Costco, and I think it's similar to this. It has the tangy citrus dressing, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds. I wonder maybe if blue cheese would be good in this too. But I went ahead and grabbed this to have for myself for a lunch this week. And then I just got 1 pound of strawberries. I have a few strawberries left in the garage refrigerator from last week that I think I can salvage. So I just went ahead and got 1 pound, and then they had blueberries on sale at Aldi, so I grabbed a pint of these as well. And then bananas. So last week we actually went through all of our bananas before the week was over, which is funny because it's like some weeks we go through them all, and then other weeks I end up having, soft, dark bananas that I either have to freeze or make banana bread out of. So it never fails. You can never get the right amount of bananas. So I got 6 for this week. I also got some butter. I wasn't sure how much I had on hand in the refrigerator in the garage, and I think I'm gonna make chocolate chip cookies tomorrow, so I needed that. They also had this on sale at Aldi. Connor really likes these yogurt smoothies, and every once in a while I'll get him like the different brands and flavors. So this is the Stony organic probiotic smoothie in the strawberry. At Aldi they also had the Jif to go cups, and I went ahead and grabbed these. I like to have these on hand. Either I'll take these to work with a banana And so I either have that for like breakfast or a snack at work. Banana peanut butter is really good. Or I also use these to give the kids with their apples. If they want apple with peanut butter, they can dip it in there. Aldi also had these Nature Valley granola cups, and if you've never had these, they're really good. I haven't bought them for a long time. These are the peanut butter chocolate ones. They're super delicious. And then I also got a pound cake mix. I thought maybe if I wanted to do a dessert of like pound cake with strawberries and whipped cream, I could do that this week. I got some Mandarin Oranges for the kids. These are just the kind in juice. And then I got a backup of mayo for the pantry because I used the one that I had in there. Okay, so I have been waiting forever to see this at my Aldi. I've seen other people have it in their hauls from Aldi, and I have never seen it at my Aldi, the coleslaw mix. So I am so excited that they have this here now, and I hope that they continue to carry it. There have been several times that I've gone to Aldi to get groceries and I've needed this and I haven't been able to get it, and so I've had to go to Walmart just to make a special trip. So I'm glad to see that they had that there. I grabbed some mozzarella cheese for a recipe this week, some cheddar cheese sticks. Kira likes to have these for a snack. And then we were all out of the yellow American cheese, and that is what Connor likes, so I grabbed that. Sometimes the kids will drink flavored water, and I grabbed this for them for that. This is a strawberry watermelon, kind of like the Mio, except it's the Aldi brand and it's pretty cheap there. For lunch meat this week, all I got was some ham, just because this is good to have on breakfast sandwiches, and we have some English muffins left over from last week's grocery haul, so if I wanted to make some breakfast sandwiches, I could do that with that. They had this Belgioso fresh mozzarella pearls on sale at Aldi for, I think it was like $1.99, and this doesn't expire until August. And if you get this at Walmart or Hy-Vee, it's like almost $5 a package. So I figured I would grab that and then use it for caprese salad sometime in the future. I got a few different cheeses. So I got 2 blocks of sharp cheddar for the cheesy potatoes, and then 1 block of Colby Jack just to cut up for snacks. This was in the aisle of shame at Aldi. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. The random aisle where they have all the sale stuff. This is brown basmati rice, and this is hard to find around here, and the times I've tried it before, I really like it, so I went ahead and grabbed that just to keep in the pantry. I saw this at Hy-Vee, and I've never tried it before, so I've tried the True Lemon before. The raspberry lemonade is one of my favorites, along with the black cherry limeade are both really good, but I've never seen this before, the orangeade mango, so I'm excited to try that. Christine, you'll have to let me know if you've seen this before. My friend Christine also drinks this a lot, and this is really good. I like to shake it up like in a big water bottle with ice, and it just like, it makes a really refreshing drink, and if you're tired of drinking just plain water, it's really good. So let me know if you've tried that mango flavor and if you like it. I got 1 box of the pasta salad with ranch and bacon. This is from Aldi. I have another one actually in the pantry, and I figured I would make this tomorrow to go with the ribs. So I thought 2 boxes would probably be better for the number of people that we're gonna have. And then for cereal, I got 1 box of Lucky Charms. These are actually on clearance at Aldi, so it was a good price. For bread this week, I just got 1 loaf of the split top wheat bread from Aldi, and then I'm also going to make some hot dogs tomorrow, and so I went ahead and grabbed another package of hot dog buns. We have hot dogs already that we got from Costco, so we're good there. We're almost out of Dell Relish, so I grabbed a container of that from Hy-Vee. I can't get Dell Relish at Aldi. I can only get sweet relish there. I got a can of dog food for Murphy. This is salmon and potatoes. Weird. And then I got 1 can of olives from Hy-Vee just to put out with the veggies and dip. I got 1 package of these cheese dip and cracker sticks for the kids this week, snacks, or sometimes I eat them for a snack too. And then I think I'm going to have some chips put out tomorrow too, so I got some of the kettle barbecue chips. These are from Aldi. These are just for us to eat, but these rice cakes, the cheddar cheese rice cake snacks are really, really good. And then I don't know if we've tried these before. They're the aged cheddar and black pepper lattice cut potato chips, but I thought those sounded good to try as well. One night this week I'm gonna make a Chinese chicken salad, and I thought it would be fun to have like some, you know, egg rolls and stuff on the side. So I got one package of the cream cheese wontons. Kira really likes those, and then one package of pork egg rolls. I had to get these at Hy-Vee. Sometimes my Aldi will have things like this and sometimes they don't, and this week they did not. I also bought all the frozen potatoes at Aldi. Just kidding, but I've never seen these before at my Aldi either, the shredded plain hash browns. So I don't know, I feel like they must be stepping up their game. But I got 2 bags of those for the cheesy potatoes, and then a bag of curly fries just to keep on hand in the freezer for this week. Kira was actually asking me for dinosaur nuggets, which is hilarious. She's like, did you know that dinosaur nuggets taste better than regular nuggets? Are you laughing at me?
I don't like Kira.
She goes, dinosaur nuggets taste better than regular nuggets. And I'm like, okay. But alas, Aldi had no dinosaur nuggets, so I had to go with the regular ones. And then these 2 things I got at Aldi also. So this is the Magnum Mini Classic Almond White. So it's just like little mini ice cream bars. I decided that I would like to have those for myself maybe. Of course, I'll share them if someone else wants one. And then they had these Barks frozen root beer and vanilla ice cream float tubes. I don't know, I thought these looked really cool. I actually saw them in the ad, in the Aldi ad, and I was like, oh yeah, right, my Aldi's not gonna have those. And lo and behold, they did. So that was fun. So I grabbed those. And then also I got a box of soft pretzel sticks. This is like a seasonal brand that they have at Aldi, and it's usually pretty good. So I decided we'd try those. I think this is newer also. It's the Diet Half and Half tea. So iced tea and lemonade, low calorie, low sugar. So I grabbed that for Adam. And then they had Gatorade on sale also at Aldi, the G0. Connor says he likes red, that's his favorite. So I grabbed that for him. And then they had, again, the sparkling frost drinks, which are like the sparkling ice drinks. These are 49 cents each at Aldi, so I just got an assortment of flavors. There's orange mango, pineapple coconut. I think there's some, yeah, cherry limeade, lemonade. Yeah, so they usually have blackberry too, but I don't think they have that this week. So anyway, some different flavors of those. And then lastly, a few non-food items for tomorrow. So I just grabbed some napkins from Aldi. These are just the plain white ones. And then I grabbed also a package of paper plates from Hy-Vee. These are my favorite when we have like cookouts and stuff because they are large and sturdy, the china plates. And then I also grabbed a big, what do you call it? Foil, I can't even talk, a foil pan for the cheesy potatoes so that I didn't have to scrub out a dish. Okay, so that's everything that I got from the grocery stores, plural, this week. Let me share with you the meal plan. All right, so here is the meal prep for this week. Today is Saturday, and tonight for dinner, Adam is going to grill steaks, and I'm making baked potatoes and broccoli, and then probably a caprese salad because I have some tomatoes I need to cut up. Sorry, this is sort of a mess, but this is what we're having for Father's Day. So Adam's gonna smoke ribs, and then I'm gonna make some hot dogs on the grill for the kids and whoever else wants them. Adam's mom is bringing baked beans. I'm making cheesy potatoes. We're gonna have chips, veggies, and dip. I'll probably put out some cheese and crackers. I'm gonna make chocolate chip cookies, and then Adam's mom is making a cherry dessert. And then I think Adam's aunt is bringing a fruit fluff. Okay, on Monday, I'm gonna do a Chinese chicken salad for dinner. So like grilled chicken breast with salad and wonton strips and like an Asian inspired dressing. And then we're gonna have those, I put down dumplings, but instead I ended up getting the egg rolls and the cream cheese rangoon. So that's what we're gonna have that night. Tuesday, I'm going to make a pork tenderloin in the oven. I had that in the freezer. And then the rest of it is just stuff that I have to use up. I have a bag of broccoli in the freezer to use up. And then I have some Alfredo in the pantry along with some Alfredo. It looked like my nail was dirty, but it's not. I'm like paranoid about that. I don't want you guys to think I have dirty nails because I don't. Okay, Wednesday we're gonna have French onion chicken. Basically, I'm not really following a recipe. Basically just chicken breasts with sauteed onions and Swiss cheese. And then I'm going to make a spinach salad and baked potatoes. Thursday, I'm gonna do some tortellini that I have in the freezer with some sauce and green beans that I have in the freezer and sausage that I have in the freezer. So a lot of different dinners out of things that I have already on hand. And then Friday we either go out or have pizza. Let's look at my nails. Okay. Oh, you know why? It's because I tanned this morning. See, that's why it's like discolored there. And by tan, I mean fake tan. Yeah, so I'm trying out this new spray tanner thing, and I bet you I got it on my finger. I was like, why does my finger look this discolored? That's gross. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about it.